Hey everyone, I have another commission build here. It is the KBD67Lite R3. It's very dirty, so I'm cleaning it off first. Let's hear how it sounds at stock. I was given the requirement to make it sound louder or more pronounced and to get rid of the rattle. So I will just go over my process of doing so. Firstly, I will replace the silicone plate dampener. This also acts as the gasket. In my experience, it mutes the sound way too much and it's very stiff. There's absolutely no gasket movement. I will be Holee modding the stabs with a fabric band-aid to hopefully get rid of the rattle. I lube the plastic housing with Krytox 205G0 and the wire with Permatax Dielectric grease. I replaced the gasket with Poron gaskets. These are our in-house made gaskets and are 3mm thick. This makes the sound more fuller and promotes flex. This is a very underrated mod and I personally recommend this. Instead of plate foam, I will use a single sheet of PE foam and tape mod 2 layers with masking tape. Switches used are Everglide Aqua Kings. Here is a quick spec rundown. I have lubed them with Krytox meanwhile. I must say, they look incredible on the transparent plate. Right portion of the board is quite flexy now, but due to the USB cutout, it makes the PCB very stiff. Making this hole bigger will definitely help with the flex, but we will do this on another video. The keycaps used are Akko Neon Cherry Profile. It matches very well with the purple case. Overall, the board feels much better after mods, but the design really holds it back in some areas. I didn't get time to shoot more footage, so I'll leave you guys with the final sound test.